What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Moonbuilt Garage. So about 2 years ago, I did a video where I replaced all the drawer slides in my kitchen with soft close slides. And while it's gotten a good amount of views, the reviews have been mixed. Some people liked it, some people didn't, whatever. But since I've got a couple sets of drawer slides that need to be replaced, I figured let's remake the video. Let's get into it. First, follow the directions that come with whatever brand of drawer slide that you're going to be installing. I mean, this will give you diagrams, measurements, everything you need to know to properly install your drawer slides. In my case, since I'm going to be reinstalling the same exact drawer slides that I just took out, my installation is going to be really simple. I'm going to be able to reuse my existing mounting holes. Everything's going to line up perfect. But having something like these Kreg drawer slide jigs, or whatever these things are called, I'll leave a link to them down below. These things come in real handy. Let me show you how to use it. It's really simple. Here you can see I've already got one of the Kreg jigs installed. It's got these little tabs that slide out, one there, one there. The one sits right on your face frame. The other one should be up against the side here. And then you just clamp it in place. Let me show you on the other side. Try getting all these hurt. So all you do is you slide this tab out and this one out, and it just drops into place. Sits right in the corner of your frame, and then just clamp it in place. And what that's going to do is give you a perfectly level surface to your cabinet to rest your drawer slide on. That way you're not trying to hold it with one hand and get everything aligned and everything, you know, drill holes and everything. This will hold your drawer slide right in place. Literally hands-free. Now I could set my measurement, which for these, it's a 1/16 of an inch back from the face, but I've already got the holes since I had one in there already, but it literally sits right where I need it to. So while the jig obviously keeps everything level and aligned, it makes it easy to mount the front hole. For the back, depending on your set of drawer slides, for these, you get these other rear brackets. Your drawer slide just slides right in there, and then you can adjust this to wherever you need it to. Then you just screw in from the back into the back of the drawer. Just like that. Now I can easily, whoops, trying to hold this with one hand, but because of that bracket's in the back, it's now giving it some out of balance. But now I can easily drill this in, and then I can adjust that bracket in the back and screw into the back wall. For the part that screws to your drawer side, I found it easy to, have your drawer empty, put it up on its side, make all your measurements, draw a level line, and then you can easily align the bracket that screws to the drawer side. But again, follow your manufacturer's instructions. And there you go, guys. Quick, simple install of soft close drawer slides. That Kreg jig makes it super simple. The only other thing you got to keep in mind is the alignment of those rails, making sure they're parallel. If they're too wide in the back, then your drawer won't catch the soft close mechanism that's on the back of those rails. And obviously if they're too close, then your drawer just won't go in. So other than that, that's the only other thing you really need to keep in mind. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell. See you in the next one.